From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
This pesky upper level low that caused the strong thunderstorms across the area last night still spinning over the Tennessee Valley, so we have a few wraparound showers moving through the area this afternoon. Not everybody getting rain, though. We've been a lot more quiet than we have been past couple of days. A lot of the widespread heavy rain and thunderstorms shifting off to the south this afternoon, where they've had tornadoes and flash flood emergencies off to the south in the southern Alabama, Florida Panhandle, and southern Mississippi. We'll see some showers and thunderstorms the next few days, but looking a lot quieter in terms of severe weather than what we've seen for about the past week or so, to be honest with you. As we go through the rest of the evening and the overnight, maybe a stray shower here and there through the evening hours, partly cloudy skies overnight, picking up another shower chance starting as early as the morning on our Tuesday. Morning lows in the mid-60s, and then scattered activity, but pretty likely as we head through our Tuesday, especially midday and afternoons when the rain chances really pick up. A few lingering showers, maybe a rumble of thunder here and there this evening, but not a lot to write home about. Dropping out of the 70s into the 60s as we go through midnight here, and then in through the low to mid-60s in southern middle Tennessee, mid to upper 60s over northern Alabama. As we begin our Tuesday, can't rely on a shower in the morning under this cloud deck from the upper low, but most of us dry for a lot of the morning hours. It's as we get some sunshine and warm into the upper 70s and lower 80s by the midday and the afternoon. Then we see our pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Notice they are scattered around. They may be a little more widespread than what Futurecast is showing, but the idea is that not everybody gets rain, despite about a 60% rain chance, but that there will be several showers and thunderstorms rotating through the area as we head through the afternoon and the evening hours. And this doesn't go away for Wednesday or Thursday. This pesky system really just sits and rotates over the southeast for the next few days here as we go forward through a large part of the remainder of the week. Maybe by Friday and the weekend, rain chances will still be there, but they'll start to become a little more isolated as we head forward. Because of that upper low and cloud cover hanging around, temperatures below normal the next 7 days, all the way through Thursday. Daytime highs only in the upper 70s, lower 80s. We start to warm a little bit as we head toward the weekend and get a little bit more sun here, even though there will still be rain chances. We are watching the tropics very carefully. Earlier this morning, we had tropical depression number 3 declared. We also have a secondary wave behind that we're watching very carefully. But as of 4 p.m. local time this afternoon, this has now become Tropical Storm BRET, the second tropical storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. Here's the latest advisory as of 4 p.m. The next advisory will be at 10 p.m. Central Time. Maximum sustained winds 40 miles an hour, moving west quickly at 21 miles per hour. Here's the track for the next several days all the way into the weekend. Expected to become a hurricane before it reaches the Lesser Antilles. So that is of note. However, notice once it moves into the Caribbean here, it may weaken some as it moves deeper into the north central Caribbean because of that subtropical jet stream that's over the Gulf and the Caribbean, providing a lot of wind shear. That may act honestly as a cheese grater as it moves in and kind of shreds the system a bit. So we'll watch to see how that goes. I think there are 2 routes that could be possible beyond the time frame of this forecast track that goes out through Saturday afternoon. If it remains a little stronger, I think it fills the upper level low that's over the southeast, affecting our weather this week, and it recurves out into the Atlantic, maybe affecting the southeast Bahamas. If it stays weaker, it may be on a more westerly course. However, I think it moves deeper into the wind shear if that's the case, and it continues to weaken and fall apart over the western Caribbean. A lot of questions, but no imminent threats to the United States. We are also watching the secondary system behind it, increasing probabilities. This may become Tropical Storm Cindy, so the tropics getting a little active, but nothing imminently threatening the United States. As always, we'll watch it carefully. Upper 70s and lower 80s, mostly cloudy skies, a little bit of sunshine here and there though, and then pop-up scattered but pretty numerous showers and thunderstorms across the area, especially midday and through the early evening. More of the same over northwest Alabama, partly sunny, mostly cloudy, highs in the lower 80s, pop-up but fairly numerous, scattered showers and thunderstorms. More of the same as we head through Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday and the weekend. Storm chances still there, but they become a little more isolated, and we see a little more sunshine. That allows daytime highs to come up out of the upper 70s and lower 80s back into the mid to maybe upper 80s. Still no 90s officially on the 7-day forecast. There's the look at your latest extended forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.